Tanya. It's coming.
Shut up. We have to watch for your mom did.
No. He's coming. He's coming. We have to get out of here. The door's locked. No. Look at, there's no one driving around. He's getting closer. I think we should go to the men's room. There's people in there though. What? I think we should pull the fire alarm. But we can't. We're trapped. I need you to come and pick us up. And when you're trapped in a movie theater, we get to get locked out. It opened. It's opened. But it's raining. And they're raining acid. I think we should walk close. Just walk around.
No, we have to watch for your parents and your mom.
Ring, ring! Ring, ring! Hello? He's here. Who is this? Stop calling me! There's no way out.
Dude, where the freak is your mom?
Well, maybe if we put it in the front, we can find her. Come on. Tanya, this is not the front of the movie theater.
She said the front?
Yes.
Oh.
He's getting us.
Dude, the people are gonna notice.
Who cares? We're done seeing movies. The people are probably off their shifts. Maybe we should ask them for directions to get out. I think they're pointing at us.
Huh?
I think they're pointing at us.
Wanna go off?
I don't want to wait out there because it's raining.
I know, I'm scared. She needs to get here.
Want to go out there and look for her?
No, we're just gonna wait inside for a ride.
They want to wait in the front door?
This is the front.